and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete the notification software like tablo ads or like that things from your Redmi Note 12s. So to start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that in your web browser, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So I'm gonna show you the first method. You have to open the settings, then go to the apps and tap on the manage apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it and click uninstall. Click OK, and go back to the app list in the second step. Now look for your web browser, Chrome in my case, and now choose the storage. Tap on the clear data, manage space, and clear all data. Click OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that wait is over for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I am using Avast, so we can launch it now. Click continue as free and tap on the start scan. Click allow and grant a permission. Go back to the app and choose the scan type. If you have something like the notification software, always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares, viruses should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.